What's up guys? Welcome to my channel today. Minecraft na tayo guys. So episode 3 na tayo, right? Ulit, episode 3. Episode 3 na ba? Sasama na si Pauline. Wait lang guys, mag-join na siya. Today guys, pinaghirapan ko na ng server for a while. Kaya di ako nag-upload. I'm not cheating. No, I'm not cheating. It's a survival world, not a cheatable world, you idiots. So guys, may nether portal na tayo guys. Ang hirap gumawa dahil wala akong diamond pickaxe. Ginawa ko lang is lava and water. Just play like a pro, guys. So guys, kaya may lava at water kasi marami. Try natin pumasok na nether for the first time, guys. Let's go. Nakapirate gusto ko sa nether. Oh, balik na tayo guys. Nakakatakot yung guys. Nakakatakot sa nether guys. Mahirap pumunta dun. Hindi pa kami ready na pumunta ng nether. Dude, skip. Oh, what the heck? Pulling just freaking spawn in that dirt. Nagulat ako guys. Gano'n yung spawn si Pauline. So guys, ito yung mga nakuha namin gamit. Hindi pa namin naayos to. Diyos ko. Nagawa muna ako ng chest guys. Kasi kailangan ng dalawang chest yung hindi kaya na isa. Masyadong maliit na. Hoy! Pauline, place mo nga dito yung chest. Nasa'yo.
Wala.
Tignan mo.
Wala.
Yes. Lumaki na yung chest ko. Kailangan natin pumunta ng nether, Pauline. So guys, kailangan natin pumunta ng nether. Let's go guys, punta na tayo ng nether. Tulog muna tayo, tulog muna. Punta na tayo ng nether. Let's go. Nether, here we go. Pauline, mag-ingat ka sa nether, mahirap sa nether. What the hell? Wait, I need cobblestone. Nag-mine ka? Grabe guys, ang dami natin cobblestone. Ito pa, may dagdag pa dito. Kahit mga minine ko guys. Dahil dun sa nagmali-mali ako sa nether portal. So, yung mga kalat na lava, naging cobblestone. Kaya yun. Let's go! Nether, here we come! Oh wow, we're in a freaking different biome. Is this something I need to try? It is. Like the pigs or not? What the hell? Nakakatakot dito sa nether guys. Pala biro pumunta ng nether. Dala natin makakita ng fortress para makapatay ng blaze. Yun nga tayo para makuha yung blaze sticks nila, maging powder. At saka mga enderman. Kailangan din natin sa ender pearl. So, ano to, gold? What the hell? Why is there? That's why I freaking hate the nether. Ang dami skeleton pulin. Yun, nakakatawa. Nakakatakot. Go, 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 Padre, go, go. I have 39 nether gold. Yata tabi. Balik. Gold nuggets. I don't like gold nuggets. Alam ko guys, pwede maging ano to guys, nether, gold ingot pa rin. Oh no. Let's try. Yes! Are you freaking kidding me? Can we use this thing? Balik na tayo ng nether guys. Ingat na lang tayo dun guys. Let's go! Let's go back to the nether point. Nether, here we come! Nagmine na lang tayo dito guys. Dire-diretso. Oh, what the hell? Now we need to go back in the freaking world to get my another iron. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Ang daming skeleton guys sa nether. Anong meron? Bakit ang daming skeleton? Ay, tulin. May ano ka? I need iron pickaxe. My iron pickaxe just freaking broke in the nether. Uli, maraming ano sa nether ah. Maraming skeleton. Tapos huwag kang mag-ano sa gas. Uy! Nag-ano kasi ako ng iron pickaxe. Uy, may golden apple nga pala tayo guys. Nakita ko sa zombie spawner, ba't hindi ko dalhin? So fucking. Kasi ito efficiency ito. Ilan? Penge! I need the iron. Dime. Sana? Kailangan natin makagawa ng anvil. At least may golden apple tayo. Nakita kasi may nakita akong zombie spawn. Guys, kung hindi ko alam kung na-record ko yun kasi pinaghihirapan ko ito server. Ano na server na ito. Yun nga, nakita tayo ng long golden apple doon. Yung tag. Sa corresponding. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung na-record ko yun. Sige.
You can even attach LOL little sisters. Did someone order a new purse? It's so adorable. But the big question is, can it
So guys, mine na. I think we can use this stuff.
another perfect shade? We just have a few changes.
Saan makakita ka ng fortress guys?
Need some sparkling spectacles? Pink nail polish will do the trick. But no one would be sparkle. Sparkles, of course. Pretty cute, right? You'll definitely get attention with these. Oh yeah.
Bakal! We're going to eat the golden apple in the fortress.
Or Chloe. Taking notes is serious business. That's one way.
And we're going. Yun lang natin to guys para makakuha tayo ng mas mapid guys. Kaya
You hear stupid music? Oh no, the brush is stuck. Just breathe, it'll be okay. Wait, set.
ulin mag-mine hunt ka ng diamonds. Kasi we need diamonds bro.
Brush off the cap. Then stick the gel pen right on top. This pipe will keep it in place.
There's looking so much gold in
Perfect.
the
Then
name.
fill the bottle with pink foam. Use top coat in the sandpaper. Cute. Now add on another layer. Put on the cap. And for a finishing touch. Now let's add some arms. Center them with Now make them line up. Isn't this the same box? Now my nose can look small. Feel better now?
No, I think we're finished. Thank you! Give me freaking good stuff, you idiot! Need good stuff. Where is that? Good stuff. Are you fucking kidding me? Teleport na tayo kay Pauline guys kasi kailangan ko nang matulog yun. Teleport na ako kay Pauline. May nakuha akong hindi magagandang stuff kasi nakipag-barter ako. Now I'm freaking lost. Am I lost? No, we're not lost, I think.
Fair to explain. Where's my
So guys, Potek, di ko mapindot. Teleport na tayo kay Pauline. Teleport. Teleport. Yes! Balik na ako guys. Tulog. Ay, hindi. Paano umaga? Nga pala nasa nether ako. So, ito mga nakuha kong stuff. Crying obsidian. Nether. Yung mga Uy! Marami pala akong gold nugget kasi nakapag-barter ako. Na-mine ko yun. Tapos yung mga netherrack. Ito yung mga nakuha kong fireball. Yun lang. Tapos, netherrack. Ang dami kong netherrack. Wag! We need all of that for something big. Ito yung mga gold. Ito pala leather pala yung nakuha ko dun sa isa. Itong gold pulin is magagamit natin para makipag-barter sa mga animal na yun. Para hindi sila magamit. Yung kailangan natin maghanap pa ng maraming gold. Hindi nugget, gold ingot.
Nasaan na ako?
Mamaya na, baliw mo, wala ka dun. Go. Anim lang magagawa ko dun. Para saan itong crying? Ito pala, meron pa ako nakita ito. Fireball. Hoy! Puli! Nasusunog yung bahay! Hoy!
Ayusin mo.
Nasusunog bigla. Dong! Okay na. Hindi na sunog. Okay na. Tapos na. May kind of panic there. Gagi puli, wala na pala tayong Wala na pala akong Iron. Iron tayo kulang. Sama ko sa nether. So guys, dito na magtatapos yung video. See you in the next video. Bye! Subscribe.